Biography of actor Nanna. Real name Rafi Khabar, famous as Nanna. Born on 1942 Sahiwal, British India, now in Pakistan. Died on June 2nd, 1986, Lahore, Pakistan. Profession film and TV actor, comedian. Languages Urdu, Punjabi. Rafi Khabar began his artistic career in the 1960s. He first appeared on radio but soon moved to films and television, where his innocent face and unique speaking style quickly captured the audience's attention. He acted in hundreds of Urdu and Punjabi films. His most iconic and memorable role was the famous Pakistani television PTV comedy drama Alif Noon, in which he played the character Nanna. His co-star Kamal Ahmed Rizvi played the role of Alif. This comedy duo became very popular in Pakistani household. Famous films and dramas: Alif Noon TV drama, Banarsi Thug, Nokar Voti Da, Sona Chandi, Khatarnak, Dilan Vich Rab Vasda Hai. Through his performances, Nanna brought a new flavor to comedy, one that was full of innocence and simplicity. Nanna was known to be a very sensitive and polite person. Unfortunately, the final days of his life were marked by personal struggles and emotional stress. It is said that the tragically died by suicide on June 2nd, 1986 in Lahore, an event that deeply shocked the Pakistani entertainment industry. Nanna remains alive in the hearts of Pakistani people. His comedy style continues to inspire future generations. The character he created still brings smiles to the faces of audience today. MD Udan Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social worker Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra, Chaudhry Ali Hashim appreciated this biography. This program is sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. They deals with pure honey, best quality of white honey, fitness tonic, Asil Cooks, Desi Eggs, Asil Jet Karahi, Asil White Karahi, Coil Jet Karahi and Elvex Beauty Soap. For all marriage proposal for all caste, mobile number is 0323 4787 870. You are watching Udan News.